Hi, you're once again welcome to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be discussing with you the various parties that makes up the forex market and their various roles they play on the forex market. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you've not done so. And also at the end of the video, in case you have any question or you need any clarification, you can kindly leave it in the comment section and I'll be glad to address it for you. Now let's move to our today's agenda. We are going to look at the various parties involved in the forex market. The first and the most powerful one of them, or the major part of it, is the central banks. The central bank of every country is involved in the forex market, and the central bank is the most powerful bank in every country. For example, when it comes to Ghana, we have Bank of Ghana, we have Central Bank of Nigeria, we have Bank of America, Central Bank of Canada. So these are the central banks in the various countries. And these countries or these central banks are on the forex market to ensure that they hold their currency in position. That is to prevent the currency from depreciating or doing worse. And also another rule is they cooperate with the government to ensure that there would be an appreciation in the value of their currency instead of it depreciating. So that's their role. Yeah. And the next party is the investment institutions. You know, we have most investment banks and investment institutions out here calling for people to come and invest with them, and they've promised them huge gains and all of that. So one thing you never thought of is most of these investment institutions, after you go to give your money to them, you know, you wouldn't be the only clients they have. They source money from different clients and all of that. So once they source the money, they are able to accumulate a huge and a solid sum of money. So most of these investment banks or investment institutions would want to invest a part of your money on the forex market. Some have high probability technologies, some have high professionals to trade the money for you, because on the forex market they would be able to multiply your money and make huge gains. Then they will come back and give you the small percentage they promised you. I'm not collapsing anybody's work here. So that's how come most investment institutions, you never know how much they are generating these returns for you. The thing is, they never leave your money just lying down or idle in their accounts. They use your money to work. And as part of these works, some they want to trade it on the foreign exchange market. Then again, we have the commercial banks. The third party is the commercial banks. The commercial banks are also on the market to also trade for various foreign currencies so that they can operate and use them in their various banks. That is, they go to trade for foreign units or currencies, and they get some in their banks so that in case a client needs some for an exchange, they can provide some to the client. That's also another way the banks, the commercial banks, really make a lot of money from that. Then again, we have companies also trading on the forex market. Most of these companies, they need or they have clients in foreign currencies. So in case their client wants to make a payment or make a purchase, they will need to exchange money. So that's the role they play. Then another important part of this forex market, we call them the brokers. So brokers are more or less like middlemen between the forex market and the people we call the retail traders. Because to go into the forex market, you need a certain amount of capital, and it's not everybody that can afford that capital. So these set of people have come together and have been able to meet the requirements of the forex market, in terms of capital, and now they are giving people access for the people to trade through them. So that's brokers, and the brokers play vital roles in the market, because without them there can't be any retail trading. Then again, the very last of this party is called the retailers. That's us. We also go on the forex market to speculate, make analysis, and predict, and either day trade or swing or any form of trading to also make money from the ups and downs of the market. Thank you for your time for watching video. I hope you found it very useful. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below, either a question or a clarification or a suggestion, and I'll be glad to attend to it. Thank you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your time. See you next time.